how to fix update messaging problem on Instagram app. Hello guys, so to fix this problem it's actually very easy. All what you have to do is open the settings on your phone, and here on this page you will find all the settings as you can see. So all what you have to do is scroll until you find the apps manager, and then go to the apps right here in the top. All what you have to do now is scroll until you find Instagram app, click on it, and now here click on force stop here in the top as you can see, and then go down. You will find the permissions option, click on it and make sure that all the permissions are enabled. And then all what you have to do is go back, click on storage, and right here on this page you will find the internal storage options. Click here on clear data and clear cache, and then go back to the settings on your phone like this. Now click on the wireless and networks. So all what you have to do now here is enable the airplane mode like this, and then disable it, and after that reopen Instagram and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.